Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Romel E. Undrada from BS Cream B. I'm going to share my reflection about sexual aspect of self and material aspect of self. This lesson helped me understand that knowing myself is not only about my appearance of or things I own, but also about respecting my body, making responsible relations, and developing good values. Through this topic, I realized true self-worth comes from my character, my choices, and the way I treat myself and others. I hope reflection show how this lesson have influenced my personal growth and understanding of who I am. First, I discuss about a sexual aspect of self and the material aspect of self helped me understand my better day, taught me that become a responsible person means taking care of my body, making good decisions, and knowing what truly important in life. This lesson also made me think about my own values and goals. The sexual aspect of self reminds me to respect myself and other people. I believe the learning making about relationship help me making wise and responsible choices, and I also understand that having the right knowledge can protect my health and help me build healthy relationship in the future. The material aspect of self made me realize that I like having nice things such as clothes, shoes, or gadgets, but these do not define who I am. I believe my personality, kindness, honesty, and respect of other and are more important than my position. Material things can make life easier, but they should never be a center of my life. When I compare this lesson to myself, I can say that I am learning and growing. I want to become a person who values good character more than material things and who always make me responsible decision about my life. I know that both lessons are important because they help me become a better or more matured individual. This lesson taught me and true happiness does not come only from own but also from how treat myself others. I will continue to respect my body, make good choices, and appreciate what I have by following these values. I believe I can become a responsible, confident, and successful person in the future.